The curtsey lunge. Very uncommon variation of the lunge, but it can be very beneficial to developing the glutes. So if you're focused less on the quads and your focus is more on isolating and developing the glutes, let's add that curtsey lunge to your training program. When you're setting up for the curtsey lunge, once again, we want to make sure we have identical dumbbells. Start light, work your way up as you feel comfortable. Now, when I do the curtsey lunge, I'm going to focus on keeping my shoulders square, making sure that I'm facing forward the entire time. My knee will have a slight bend in it, and I'm going to kick my back foot behind me, okay? So as I hinge forward, okay, elevate that one foot, torso comes forward, bending those knees, but this time I'm going to step directly behind myself, okay? Drive through my front heel, stand up nice and tall. Once again, keeping the shoulders nice and square, push through the front heel, stand up nice and tall. As I step back, I'm going to extend that back leg as much as possible until I feel comfortable, all right? If you feel any discomfort in the knee, this is a variation of the lunge that you do not want to perform because of the awkward position that it puts that front foot in, okay? And once again, it's a very uncommon lunge, but if you want to develop those glutes and isolate, let's go ahead and add it into the training program. When performing a curtsey lunge, there are some common mistakes that you want to pay close attention to. Now, as I step back and bring that leg behind me, sometimes you will want to turn your body and face at an angle here, okay? Remember, we want to keep the shoulders square, find a mark in the room, keep those eyes on that mark the entire time. As you're stepping back, eyes are facing forward, shoulders stay square, return back to that starting position. Okay, for this movement, it is okay for your knee to flare outward and be in an awkward position. That is part of the movement. Worry less about that. Worry more about you stepping back and that foot coming off of the ground and not keeping the heel flat. So step far as possible behind you as you keep that heel nice and flat. We're driving through the heel, return back to that starting position.